how to show all hidden apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In the Quick Settings panel, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and from here, we tap on Home Screen, then scroll down and tap on Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. From here at the top, it will show you all the hidden apps. If you want to show or add any apps back into your app screen or the home screen, simply just tap on the remove button. So here I will remove Dashland as well. So everything, all the apps has now been restored back to the apps screen as well as the home screen. Finally, tap on the done button to save the changes. Now if you go to the app screen, you can see now I can locate Dashland down here, Joycam, and Family Link. And that's it. So that is how you can show apps you have previously hidden on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.